Okay, guys, I am back for day 2 of this week. This is for Wednesday, May 13th. So last week yesterday, I'm sorry, we did a little bit of addition and subtraction. You guys are supposed to do one round of extra math. Today, we're going to be focusing only on addition, and you guys are going to be doing an addition assignment and on Seesaw. Tomorrow, we're only going to focus on subtraction. You're going to do a subtraction assignment on Seesaw. The reason my screen looks like this is because I didn't want to assign this out, because when I assign things out, you guys get confused on Seesaw. And I didn't want you to start doing it right now. So I'm doing it just on here, which will be fine. Okay. So here, the first 3 problems, we're going to have 3 addition problems to solve, or 3 things to add. And then these ones, we're going to have 2 double digit or triple digits. We have 3 double digit, and down here we have 2 triple digit. Okay. So let's get started. So the way that I like to do multiple numbers like this is I like to break it up. So I'm going to first do 47 plus 35. Seven plus 5 is 12. Carry my 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So I have 82, but that's not my answer. So 47 plus 35 is 82, but now I need to add 83. Sorry about that, guys. My brother just came in to borrow something. And I'm pretty sure I said 83 and I meant to say 23. So we have 82, but we need to add 23. So now we have 2 plus 3 is 5. And now here, 8 plus 2 is 10. And I know a lot of you guys got confused because you're like, well, I can't write 10 here. When it's the last one, you can, when there's no other numbers. Or if it makes more sense for you to add it here, you can. So you could do 8 plus 2 is 0 or 10, and then carry your 1, and then 1 plus 0 is 1. Or you could just write 10 there because it's the last number in the columns. Okay, so that's 105. All right. Now, we have 26 plus 52 plus 37. So, I'm going to do 26 plus 52 first. Oh, my arm is so shaky. I hate writing with this. So that's 8 and 7. Now I need to add 37. Which is 15. 8 plus 7 is 15. Carry my 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So I'm going to just go right ahead and write 11. And so that means it's 115. All right. One left over here on this part. So we have 33 plus 75 plus 24. So I'm going to add 33 plus 75 first, excuse me. And I know that's hard to tell it's a 3, but I know it's a 3, so it's okay. So that's 3 plus 5 is 8, and 3 plus 7 is 10. So we have 108. And then I'm going to add 24. This, guys, is where it's important to make sure you get it lined up right. So you need to put your 2 in your tens place because that is a 10. And then you need to put your 4 in your ones place. If you line it up over here and you put your 2 under your 1, you're going to get the wrong answer. So 4 plus 8, or 8 plus 4 is 12. And then 1 plus 0 is 1. Plus 2 is 3. And then 1 plus 0 is 1. So 132. Okay. All right, so I'm going to erase that. I'm going to clear my screen because I need to move it down anyways. Okay, so now we're doing 256 plus 375, and I'm not going to rewrite these because now I can just add. So 6 plus 5 is 11. And 5 plus 1 is 6, and 6 plus 7 is 13. 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 3 is 6. So it's 631. I'm going to move on. 9 plus 4 is 13. And I know, guys, when you guys are doing this on your own, it might take you longer to know the problems if you don't know your facts. And that's okay. If you have to draw a picture or whatever you have to do. This is why facts are so important, because you get on these bigger problems like this and it takes you a lot longer to solve them. So I have to carry my 1 up here, and 1 plus 8 is 9, and 9 plus 3 is 12. And then we have our carry our 1 again. 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus 3 is 8. And guys, I'm going to be honest with you. I had to, so it's 823. I had to restart my last video from yesterday because I added something wrong. Because when there's like all these numbers, sometimes it gets confusing, or I forget to carry my 1. That's normal. So you just have to go back and check your work and look over it, okay? Okay, so that's all we're doing with this for today. So I'm going to erase and clear my screen here. I will share this out, but you guys aren't expected to do this. But if you just want to look at it or whatever, that's fine. So, oops, that's the wrong class. So I don't know if you guys knew this, but Mrs. Balish and I took over Mrs. Davis's class because she had a baby. So you see that in there. So this is for Mrs. Davis's class. You guys will see this video also, but yours is a week later. So let me look here what you guys are going to be assigned to do for Wednesday. So you guys are going to be doing these 6 triple-digit addition problems, okay? So you're going to go on, and it's not going to be hard. You're going to make sure you show your work, and you're going to solve the problems. You can type the answer in, but I would like to see your work where you're taking away and carrying the 1 and things like that. If you can do that for me, that would be great. Okay. So that's all for today's lesson. Again, I know this is a review, but I do think it's important. I'm sorry, guys. The mower's going, if you guys can hear that. I do think it's important. This is like the bulk of second grade. We spent pretty much all of second quarter going over triple digit and double digit addition and subtraction. And I know it's been a while, and this was my plan of what I was going to do at the end of the school year anyways, was to review this kind of stuff. So that's why we're going over this. Okay. All right. Thank you guys so much. Again, I miss you all, and I cannot wait to see you soon, and take care and reach out to me if you have any questions. Bye, guys.